tayo pinuntahan naman eh.
Na pinagawa ng First Philippine Industrial Corporation, ari-ari ng pipeline mula Batangas hanggang Metro Manila na pinaghihinala ang pinanggagalingan ng gas leak sa barangay Pangkal, Makati. Walang anumang butas na nakita sa haba ng tubo mula Negros hanggang Quirino na tumatagos sa tapat ng West Tower sa Makati City.
This really bolsters our opinion or conclusion, I guess, that happened from we'll continue to work with the
Kanta ka muna, win-win.
to identify the source of this seepage.
Philippines, win-win. Face to face. Happy birthday, Papa. Kanta ka. Happy birthday